Think your sneakers are beyond saving? Well, think again, because in this video, I'll teach you how to clean your sneakers using at-home products. And let's go ahead and get into how to clean those sneakers and make them brand new. So with that being said, a little intro for you guys. I want to go ahead and talk about cleaning sneakers and how this video is basically going to come about. So I do want to start off with a little story. I actually do indeed clean my sneakers myself. And in this very video, I'm going to be giving you guys exactly how I do them, because I feel like it wouldn't be right for me to go ahead and give you guys some other ways on some things I haven't tried before. So with that being said, you guys, I have a pair of Air Force Ones, and I'm not going to lie, this is a crazy way to start off the video, but as you guys can see, these Air Forces are kind of beat, but they're kind of clean. As you guys can see, they look pretty polished, even though I haven't cleaned them in I would say a couple months, to be honest. I haven't really taken care of these shoes because I am due for a new pair. But yeah, this is my pair I probably had for about 2 years. And then my other pair is a pair of black ones. And these are pretty clean, I'm not going to lie. They recently just got dirty on the bottom because I was stepping on mud. But considering, I would say I'm a pretty credible source for using those at-home products, except for right here, it's pretty dirty. But yeah. With that being said, these are my pair of shoes that I just wanted to show you guys for this video, but I do have other ones. But yeah, with that being said, you guys, I do want to mention that cleaning your sneakers regularly is very important. You do want to make sure you clean them on a regular basis, because you always want to keep them clean. And I feel like you can tell a lot from a person by the way they carry themselves and their image. So I definitely feel like we got to make sure our sneakers are clean at all times. So with that being said, I do promise you guys it's going to be real affordable, real easy to do. And as long as you have, I'm going to use just a paper towel. And I also have a toothbrush, which is pretty easy to get. And then I'm going to have, this is just some water inside of here. But with that being said, yeah, just some water. You could have some dish soap, whatever soap you would prefer. A washing machine if you do have that, but you probably don't have to do that. Because I haven't utilized that method yet. But with that being said, let's hop straight into this video. So with that being said, you guys, step-by-step process, what I normally go ahead and do with my sneakers, you guys, is I go ahead and start off with the cloth and water. So what I'll go ahead and do with you guys, I'm going to take a piece of this paper towel, put a little water on it. Y'all can't really see, but I'm going to just do it right here. As y'all can see, just a little bit of water. As y'all can see, not even too much, to be honest. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean the black pair. Even though there's not really that much dirt, I'm gonna find a spot that has some dirt, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to remove the dirt. Damn, my shoes making me look real good today. Well, I kind of see, if y'all can see a little dirt like on the bottoms. I've been meaning to get this off, so this is actually a perfect opportunity to do so. And I believe this is the one that was dirty in the front. So as you guys can see, there is these little specks of dirt. And even though this is kind of like the outsole, they would call it, you can still clean this part. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, and I'm gonna try to show y'all in the best way possible. I'm gonna scrub the little front part, because that is where the dirt is at. I'm gonna scrub it. And then I believe this is actually where the toothbrush is gonna come in handy. And so as you guys can see, it's a little bit more black, a little bit more clean. And then with the toothbrush, you want to just go in and then kind of brush it. Kind of brush it, kind of brush it, kind of brush it. And as you guys can see, it is a little bit more clean than it was before. Well, with that being said, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all a little bit with my white Air Force Ones, even though they're a little bit more on the dirty side. And for example, as you guys can see on the back of this Nike Air heel tab, there is a little bit of dirt right where people step on you, like right on the back of your heel, as you guys can see. And this is how it looks now, but I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of water on this cloth again and then wipe it down. And then after, the dirt should pretty much be gone. I would show you guys, but it's a little hard to angle to do. But as you guys can see, give me about 3, 2, 1. As you guys can see, the dirt is now cleaner. Like as you guys see, it's basically white. So that being said, you guys, I basically do this all the way around. And of course, these shoes are a bit old, but I'm pretty sure compared to a regular pair of Air Forces that wouldn't be cleaned for up to 2-3 years, I'm pretty sure they would not look like this in this condition. But with that being said, as far as the laces, you guys, one thing I do need to take up my own advice is I would definitely recommend, especially with white shoes that have white laces, to go ahead and take these out and put them in the washing machine. Me, myself, I'm not gonna lie, I've been pretty lazy to do that for a while. But yeah, I feel like that needs to be done. I don't know why I haven't done it, but it just seems like, I don't know, like a lot of work, I guess. All right, it's not even on the top of my priority list. But with that being said, you guys, that is pretty much all I wanted to add for now. This is more of like a leather top shoe. So it'd be kind of different for, let's say, shoes with suede or just different types of tops and materials. So with that being said, you guys, let me know if you guys want a more detailed on like maybe how to clean the insole and just all the different parts of a shoe. But yeah, that is basically how I would say to clean your sneakers. That's the way I would do it. I would just use a cloth, some water, maybe some soap if you want some soap, and then a toothbrush. And with that being said, go ahead and click the playlist up here for some more how-to videos on my channel.